So hi everyone. So in today's lecture we'll be seeing the assignments on different data types. Okay. So first let us start with the first question and write a Python program to calculate the length of a string. Okay. So let us just go here and let us just write. First let us take an input s1 equal to input of enter string, and we are asked to print the length of the string, right? So let us use the inbuilt method len of s1 and let us just run it. Let us enter the string, just a random string, and we're getting the length. Okay, so and this is the one method, and let us just use another method for I in s1. Let us just take length equal to 0 as an attribute, length equal to length plus 1. Let us print length. Let us enter 6. Okay, so this is nothing but for every character which is present in s1 we are incrementing length value. Okay, so here q, for q it is becoming 1, for w it is becoming 2, e equal to 3, r equal to 4, t equal to 5, and y equal to 6. Okay, so these are the two methods to calculate the length of the string. And let us go for the second one now. Write a Python program to get the smallest and sum of all the items in a list. Okay, so first let us take list 1 equal to 1 2 3 4 5, and we are asked to find the minimum and or sum of all the elements inside a list. So we can use the inbuilt methods. First let us use min of l1. These are the inbuilt methods. Print sum of l1, and minimum element is 1 and maximum element is 15. Okay, and these are the inbuilt methods, and without using inbuilt methods we can also do that one. First let us try to do the minimum value. First let us consider, let us just make it 10, and let us just take it as one example as min value equal to l1 of 0 for I in range 1 comma len of l1. What I'm doing is, first I'm considering the 0th element as a minimum value, and I will compare the whole elements which are present inside the list, and if the given number is less than these elements, then we need to update the min value. Okay, so first we are starting our iteration from first index, and what I'm going to do is, if min value is less than, if min value is greater than l1 of I is less than, then min value equal to l1 of 5. Okay, and let us just print min value. Then okay, so this is greater than, so we got the least value, that is 2, right? So what is happening here is, first we are changing this is one is 10, and if min value, what is 10, right? So if 10 is greater than 2, then what is happening, what is the first min value is 10, and what is the first index value is 2. Okay, if 10 is greater than 2, then we are updating them as minimum value. Okay, so first we need to find minimum value, right? And now what is the minimum value? 2, and 2 is greater than, now what is the index value? 2. Is 2 is greater than 3? No, it is false. And 2 is greater than 4? False. 2 is greater than 5? It is false. So this is how you find the minimum value. And for finding the sum, let us just run, let us just take sum equal to 0. Let us just run one more loop for I in range len of l1 0 comma len of l1. Let us write sum equal to sum plus l1 of I. Let us print sum. Yes, we got it, right? So what I'm doing is, first I'm taking sum equal to 0, and after that one I'm running the whole loop inside the list, and for every iteration I'm adding the every number to the sum variable, and finally I'm printing the thing sum. Okay, so this is how you do the second question. Let's go into the third one. Write a Python program to add keys to a dictionary. Okay, so we need to write a program to add keys to a dictionary. Let us just take dict1 equal to x1 equal to 10. Let us take, we need to put them inside a string, right? y1 equal to 20. Let us just write it, and let us just try to print it. Yes, and this is the program which you need to add the keys to a dictionary, right? So let us just use update method, dict1 dot update, and let us just write z1 30, and let us just put this inside. Okay, and let us print dict1 again. Yes, we're getting it right. So this is how you add keys and values to a dictionary. And next, what is write a Python program to check if a list is empty or not. Let us go here, fourth.py. Let us just take L1 equal to 1, 2, 3, and how you will check whether the list is an empty or not. If the length of the list is 0, then it is empty, or else it is not empty. If len of L double equal to 0, print yes, it is empty, else print not empty. Okay, so first let us run this. Not empty because we put 3 elements here. Let us just remove this. Yes, it is empty. Okay, so this is the thing, and let us write the sixth one. I mean the fifth one. Write a Python program to illustrate list slicing. Okay, so let us just take L1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. List slicing is nothing but fetching some certain elements from a list, right? So what we can do is, first let us just fetch the elements L1 of, let us just take 0 to 3. Let's print it. 0 to 3, that is nothing but 0, 1 and 2. These 3 indexes will be printed. What is it? 1, 2, 3, and let us write 1, 2, 3. There is nothing but only 1, 2 indexes will be printed. What is the 1, 2 indexes? 2, 3. And let us just change it to 5. There is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 indexes will be printed. Okay, and this is one type of slicing, and reverse slicing is also available in Python. There is nothing but, let us just write -1. So the outermost, that is what, 6 will be printed, and let us write -1 to -4. Okay, we are supposed to use -4 here and -1 here. 3, 4, 5. There is nothing but -1, -2, -3, -4. -4 is 3, and 3, 4, 5 is being printed up to -1. Okay, so this is how you use list slicing. And if you guys have any kind of doubts, just ping us at our WhatsApp number or our email ID, and we will be responding to you guys. Okay, and thank you for watching.